This is known as calabash. They pick it, empty out the contents on the inside of it, and they would turn it into bags, plates, dish. There are 2 maroon communities located in Portland alone. The first one is in the Jonker Mountains and the second one is in the Blue Mountains. Nanny of the Maroons, or Queen Nanny as popularly known, was a Maroon leader in Jamaica during the 17th and 18th century. Also, Maroons were slaves in the Americas who escaped and formed independent settlements. Nanny herself was an escaped slave who was shipped from Western Africa. We are at the point between Millbank, Comfort Castle, Ginger House and Bellevue. People jump from here?
Yeah, when they're in class.
What they tend to do is just, they get the bamboos and then they tie down 4 different points on the raft. It naturally floats because bamboo is built for that kind of purpose. Anytime you're ready, the shade is there, the food, the natural elements of society. Look, you even have a coconut tree right here where you can maybe pick like a jelly or something, and then anytime you're ready, you just burst it open and just drink. Welcome to Barrydale rafting, guys. Anything that has to do with rafting, they do it here. Just for 2 person, 14,000, and it bring you all the way to St. Margaret's Bay.